I'm a Walmart technician, and I'm here to help you guys, the ones that are in high school, college, university, um, get into the automotive industry as a whole. It is a difficult job. It is sometimes time consuming. There's a lot of drama, but overall, it's a good experience. Um, this channel is for those people that are starting into the business and they want to start off at Walmart. My best thing I can say to you guys is it's the best thing you can do. I know a lot of people criticize that, oh well, he's just a Walmart tech. He doesn't know, you know, you know what? Don't never pay attention to those people. We're just as great as anybody else. We're the same as the people down the street, Billy Joe Bob. Uh, One of the things that I want to share with you guys is what to do in situations when you're by yourself as a technician, what kind of training, what's the pay rate, what to do with management, and what to do in every day to day. It's gonna help you guys grow. Thank you.